Les from Delta here with our answer series. One of the questions that we get quite often is, hey, my handheld seems to be taking a really long time to update with a measurement. I'm going to show you an example of what we're talking about here. So you hear the beep, and then the screen actually updates. Really simple, easy fix and solution to this one. So even though, particularly with the FMP 100 and 150, we're running on a Windows CE based platform, there's still only a certain amount of memory that we can actually use for taking measurements. It's actually even smaller on the other FMP series. You can also run in the same SU on an MMS and an MMS PC too. And the reason is all of these readings right here. Each reading takes up a certain amount of memory. Run out of memory, your unit's going to slow down. Couple different things that we can do to remedy this situation. One of them is going to be to just change your process and use the block function. One of the biggest reasons that this unit in particular is running slow is because we have over 36,000 readings in one block. So every time we take a reading, all of these results are being recalculated each time. So these min values, max values, your range, all of that is getting recalculated when you take a measurement. That's why that takes a while. So if we close out our block, we're going to start a new block. That's going to help a little bit. But the biggest issue is there's 36,000 measurements on this unit. And the best thing for it is going to be to delete all of our measurements. Here's how you do that. Go up here to the RES menu, that's the results menu, and we're going to come down here, and in this case we are going to delete all. And it's going to ask you, are you sure you really want to do that? Yes we do. We're going to say yes, and now that we've dropped down to no readings, beep, and we get a reading. And it's just that simple and easy. Your calibration has not been affected. Any of your normalization hasn't been affected. Other applications on your unit haven't been affected. It's only in this application that you've deleted every reading. So if you've got another one that's getting high up there with readings, go into that one and repeat the process. Les from Delta, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our calibration and equipment solution videos. Video didn't answer your questions? That's okay. Click the link below, go to our website, you can contact us through there, or our Facebook page.